Okay, this is my best attempt at the growl death vocal, but because of the crappy audio on this camera, I have to do it from the other side of the camera and by the mic, so you can't see me, but here goes. Growl. And the next one is my best attempt for a guttural vocal. And again, I have to go by the mic so it sounds better. Here goes. Okay, so there you go. Hope you like it.